come true, the last thing you can do. Oh, mama, please promise me that you will stay and take my place while I'm away, and give the children love and say, I have to cry, what could I say? How hard I tried to find the word, I prayed she would not see me cry. So what's it that she learned, but only time to say goodbye to mama. They say in time you will forget, yet still today my eyes are wet. I tell myself to smile. Oh mama, now soon there'll be another spring, and I will start remembering the way she loved to hear us sing her favorite song, Ave Maria. Ave Maria. The children all have grown up now. I kept my promise to mama. I cannot guide them anymore.